Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super early, so mind my lack of excitement, but today I'm getting my hair dyed. Like I said, today I'm getting my hair dyed. I'm getting it ombre from this color to like a brown, hopefully into like some blondish tips, not too blonde. I kind of want like the honey brown type of thing. My hair has not been this dark, like I don't know what we call this, like 1B, because it's not black, but it's like really dark brown. This is my natural hair color, obviously, and not that I hate it. It's cute for like a cute little second, but I think I look way better with lighter hair, like browns and honey colors, and love those. I love me with like lighter colors, so I cannot wait to get that done. I washed my hair last night and I did a deep conditioner. I've been doing a deep conditioner like almost every day this week. I think I seen a video where someone said you're not supposed to bleach your hair on clean hair or something like that. I'm not sure, but either way, I'm just gonna spray something in it. It doesn't hurt. It's a 10 Miracle leave-in plus keratin. I've been trying to put a little bit of keratin in my hair just to get my hair strong because I've never bleached it like this crazy. So I'm kind of hoping nothing bad happens, you know. Right now it's 8:55 and I'm gonna do this. I have some food, some leftover Popeyes that I'm gonna eat, and then I'm gonna go to the bank. I also have to do some TikToks real quick. Just gonna do like the the before TikToks, and then when I do the after, it's like, oh my god, wow, you know. So I'm just gonna do that just real quick because I have to be there by 10. It was originally 9:30. Woke up at 8 and she texted me and she was like, oh, can you come at 10? I was like, yes, I can. So I laid down for an extra 30 minutes, but now I'm up. So I'm just gonna take like a quick 10 minutes to do a TikTok, 5 minutes to eat. I guess 20 minutes to go to the bank real quick, and then it's supposed to be a 17-minute drive, but either way, that's what's going on with me. I also asked her if it's okay if I film. She said cool. I'm probably still gonna be super shy, but I'm gonna try to film as much as I can for you guys because I want you guys to see this whole process. So yeah. Okay, so guys, I'm driving now. Oh, you guys cannot see me. Hold on. Better? Kind of. Okay, so now I'm driving. I just came from the bank and I'm gonna make a quick stop at Starbucks to get me my little strawberry refresher because you guys know that should be banging. I gotta get that in a cookie. I have time because it said I was gonna get there at 9:52 and I was like, all right, let me just go there. It's already on the way. I ordered it on the app, so I have to do is just go pick it up, and it's halfway there. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get that real quick just because I know I'm gonna be here for a while. I don't know how long, but I know these dyeing things usually take kind of, hold on one second, I gotta do some stuff. Wiggle it. I got her. Okay, stop at your stop sign, babe. Thanks. Thanks. Okay, so now I'm safely on the parkway. Hold on, let me merge. I'm not safely on the parkway. Okay. Alright, so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go to Starbucks, grab my bev and my cookie, of course, and I will talk to you guys when I get there. Or when I get to Starbucks. No, when I get there. Sure. Bye. This one got like quick. Bye.
Your hair looks so good.
Thank you. Hold on, let me get to my car. Let me get to my car. I know y'all see this. I know y'all see this. Hold on. It looks so good. Hold on. Girl, hold on. I gotta take some pictures out here. Are you kidding me? Are you hold on. I don't think y'all see it. Hold on. Okay. Okay, hold on. Oh. On top of my bed. No, wrong way. Ooh, are you kidding? Oh, this looks so cute. Ah! Oh. Hold on, Bryson, hold on. Wow, guys. It came out so good. Okay, I gotta finish all my TikToks because, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I go home. So right now I'm at Hector's house and
I look a mess.
He looks so cute. I like his hair this long.
Dirty.
His hair is super long because he just got braids and it took him out. But I like it this long. Don't you guys like it this long? Okay, anyways, what did you say about my hair?
Shit's fine, hold on.
He said it looks like a wig. It does, right?
It look like a good one.
Wait, get the back.
I can't see what I'm looking at right here. Hold up. Oh, I got.
Flip it down.
Oh, this is. I see it. I see it. I'm good. Don't touch it.
Okay, Hector.
That's wavy.
It does look good, right?
Take a pose. Thumbnail. Ooh. Do it again. Do it again. You know what we trying to see. You know what everybody trying to see. You know what everybody trying to see
I was
it.
trying to see that.
Show us the hair.
Oh yeah, the hair. You're funny. Anyway, but yeah. I gotta show my mom. I was trying to FaceTime her, but she did not answer.
Everybody check out my freestyle.
I could do TikToks. Hold on, I still never did those.
That shit was weak. Shut the fuck out of me. I got it on camera, you dickhead.
You're funny. You recording?
No.
You're not recording?
I am.
Oh. Oh, that's it?
All right.
That's it?
I had half a bar. Let's get it. Hey.
Alright, baby, get out. I'm going home. I gotta go home.
Fire.
Oh, you filmed everything?
Yes.
How cutesy.
Think you like it?
Yes, I love it. It's adorable. It makes your face look different.
Right. Hector was like, who are you?
Oh, you did the whole thing, bro?
Yeah. And then the roots are still dark. So like when it grows in, it's gonna...
So it don't look bad.
Yeah. So I can wear it out longer too.
Because then when it starts growing out...
Okay! So I have my AC on, so ignore that. Cause that's not coming off, cause it's hot. But yes, my hair! Ignore the background, don't look at the bed, don't look at that, don't look at anything. Just look at my hair, it looks so cute. This one kind of fell, like this flip, because we curled it over so many times, but that's okay, I'll curl it another day. I'm gonna give my hair a break for the rest of the day, but yeah, it looks super good, super cute. I love the color, love everything. She was saying I can come back another day, like probably like in a couple weeks. Maybe enlighten the bottoms if I want, but I think I like it like this. I don't know. You guys let me know. Oh my god, I'm kind of like a blonde up here. A little bit. No, but yes. So we're just gonna like lighten the bottoms to like this type of color down here. But I think it looks good. I don't know. I think it looks fine. I can't stop touching it. Still feels pretty soft. But the bottoms I can feel it's different. Like it's definitely different. Gonna need a little more TLC once it's curly again, because that's gonna be definitely drier. But yeah, oh my god, everything's so different. It's like the Billie Eilish e-girl type of look. Billie Eilish started this look, I don't care. She did the highlighted face. But yeah, super cute. I love how it came out. I might go back for a second sesh. I'm not sure. I'm gonna see how I like this over the next week and a half, probably 2 weeks, 3 weeks maybe. I don't know. Maybe if I like want to change the color, because I don't want to damage my hair. My hair is already to that point where it's feeling dry, and my hair is pretty healthy, so it's feeling dry. That's alright, so I have to slow it down, you know. I never bleached my hair before, except for I think one time to get highlights they bleached it, obviously, but I never bleached like majority of my head like this before, so because I don't know if it's showing on camera, but she even dyed up here. Like she dyed like all from like right here. Like see this black up here? Like it's not really black, but compared to everything else it looks pretty black. Up here is like my natural hair color, and then once you start getting over here, it starts turning into brown, and then light at the bottom. So all this is bleached, all this. But down here, the only part that feels like kind of like, not like crazy, but like bleached. It feels bleached down there, okay? And right here feels kind of bleached too. I don't know if I'm gonna go back, maybe, maybe not, maybe not. It's included in the price I paid today, so that's why I'm like, maybe, but I am not gonna just go for the fun of it. I'm not gonna add that to this video or make a new video about that. You'll just see it if I end up lightening it, or I'll put it on my story on Instagram. Make sure you're following me there. You like my hair?
Yeah, I like it.
Do you?
Yeah, it's not needed, but you know.
Oh boy. Okay.
You already have nice, beautiful hair, so you know.
Thank you. But it's super cute, right?
Yeah, it's good.
It looks good. Thank you. But yeah.
Alright.
But anyways, like I was saying, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you guys want to keep up with my hair and me and everything. Only thing's a little annoying, I got bleach on my baby hairs. You see that? You see the bleach? It's gonna grow out, so it's gonna be fine, but like, it's annoying, but whatever. But yes, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the process. I know I didn't get to film a lot while I was in there. Just there was other people in there too, and then we were just all in there and we was like chatting, and it was just like, let me not kill the vibe. I just filmed my little 10 seconds each and kept it cute, kept it short, kept it sweet. Yeah, I love my hair. Let me know if you guys love it too. Let me know if you guys love the color, if you guys are trying to get your hair ombre too. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. If you guys aren't following me on my social medias, they will be listed right here and they will be in the description box below. Check me out there. And yeah, make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna peace out now, and I'm gonna post my TikToks. Make sure you follow me on there. And yeah, that's it. Peace, love, and happiness. Bye guys.